Next song I want to jump to, and this one is kind of interesting when you think about the blues. I've been listening lately to some old Stones and Beatles, and I found some great blues nuggets in there. And this one, I'm going to do this one with a pick, just because I know a lot of you guys play with a pick. So it's in the key of A. It starts out with an E augmented chord. You can see how that... Oh, darling, hey, please believe me. E, F sharp minor. I'll never do you no deep harm. Believe me when I tell you, B to E. I'll never do you no harm. That's that E augmented chord, which is really cool. So that's Oh Darlin'. That's a verse and a and a turnaround. I'm going to also give you the B section for that. But it's cool because if you approach it, if you think about it like a blues, even though it's, it's a Beatles song, obviously, you're in that A key, and then you go to your E7th. Oh, believe me. And then I walk up to the F sharp minor, and then a D, and then I go to a B minor and an E7th, E9th. Kind of makes it. I'll never do you no harm. Then we're gonna go to A7. Now I'm gonna take you to the bridge. It goes to the 4. When you told me D, F, and then F7th. Need me anymore? Well, you know I nearly broke down and cried. Then it goes up to the B major. When you told me you didn't need me anymore. Back to that augmented chord. Ooh, darling, if you leave me, yeah, I'll never make it alone. Leave me when I tell you I'll never do you no harm. Oh yeah. So that's Oh Darlin' in the key of A, and it's just a fun little blues Beatles style, but I kind of reinvented it there for acoustic guitar and made it a little more greasy, which I tend to do when I take a song like that. So once again, the chords are starts out in augmented, E augmented, which is one of those weird, kind of mysterious chords. But it sets up that A beautifully. And I like to go down to a kind of muted, right? F sharp. And then B minor to E9. That makes it more bluesy. I'll never make it alone. Once again to the bridge, to D. I like that feel. F7, hey, you know I never go down and cry. Make it greasy, right? A B major. When it told me you didn't need me anymore. Well, you know I nearly to an F9, broke down and cried. Back to that augmented. Oh, darling, believe me, I'm never gonna make it alone. Believe me when I tell you I'll never do you no harm. So there's a really super swampy bluesy version of a Beatles song called Oh Darlin'.